Hello again, welcome to episode 5. This one's going to be a test of the Goldenmask 1 Plus UK finder. It was made, I believe, for the UK conditions, and the best frequency over here apparently is 15 kilohertz. I don't really know that much about Goldenmask, to be perfectly honest. I never used to get a lot in when I was dealing. First ones that came out lacked a bit of build quality, shall we say, but the latest ones seem fine. I never really used one in the field. The Goldenmask 1 Plus UK, I think, came out about 2014-ish, and is now discontinued, I believe. I like the telescopic stem. They're lightweight, easy to use, and we seem to give good results. But I don't think I've even tested this one before. If I did, I can't remember. Anyway, let's see what it does. Right, here we have the Goldenmask 1 Plus finder. I've got the discrimination and sensitivity on the preset markers, the red bits, which is 2 on the disk level and 10 on the sensitivity. On off button and volume control. I'll give it full volume so we can hear it. This is all you need really on any detector, is a sensitivity, discrimination and an off switch. That's about it really, that's the essentials. Right then, see what it sounds like over iron. There's the iron grunt. I don't know what happens if you put the discrimination beyond that. Oh, it still rejects the iron. There you go. Gold chain, 1 inch deep, 20 inches long, rolled up into a ball. Doesn't like that at all. Gold chain, 5 inches long, lengthways. Just about gets that. Earring, 1 inch deep, silver one. New. Low conductive cut quarter. New. Small Roman bronze at 3 inches. That's a lovely clear signal. That's what we like. A nice, loud, clear signal. Pewter button, 4 inches. Pewter button, 6 inches. Again, like most detectors, a bit of an iron grunt there because it's out of its range. It does give a very faint signal. You might actually dig that if you had headphones on. I'm sure it'd come in better. Right, Galena. Yeah, good sir. So, 4 inch air rifle pellet. Nope, not good enough to get that. Small thin copper ring at 8 inches. Not really. Coke, 2 inches. That's good to say to grunt over coke. It's a bit of a bonus. Right, separation and discrimination. Iron cord 2 pence compared to the crown bottle top. Right, and let's turn the discrimination up to see if we can get rid of the bottle top. Put it on maximum start and work backwards. Bit of a grunt. Same signal. Back to 2. High and low conductive coins, 8 inches deep, 1 inch apart. Gives you a diggable signal, but I can't tell it's 2 coins down there. Same again, only 3 inches deep. You can tell it's 2 targets there. 20 pence and ring pull. Ring pull, 20 pence. Right, and turn the disc up to 10 again, I think. Rejects that. Rejects that. So well. it's not going to do it anyway, no matter what I twiddle. Right then, low conductive coin with a staple, an iron staple in the middle. You can tell I've got 2 targets and something iron down there, so that's good. Right, onto the low conductive coins. 5 pence, 4 inches. 4 inches on edge. Both ways there. 5 inches. 5 inches on edge. No, it fails on the length. 5 pence, 6 inches. 7 inches. 8 inches. 9 inches. I suppose the headphones on again on a fairly clean site, you probably dig that. Right, onto the high conductive targets. No, we aren't. We're going to the cut quarter, 2 inches. Cut quarter, 4 inches. Just about. 5 inches. Again, a nice faint signal. If headphones on, it would sound better. High conductive coins. 6 inch deep halfpenny. 7 inches. 8 inches. I'm about to go for the 9 inch one to see if that's can find it. Oh, here we are. Yeah. 10 inches. No, I don't think it'll go any further than that. Pretty good though. 6 inch on edge. Let's find the 7 inch on edge one. Not really, very faint. Cartwheel penny, 8 inches. 9 inches. Right, cartwheel penny, 8 inches on edge. No, cartwheel penny, 11 inches. Oh, sorry, I'll go for the 10 inches. Again, a very faint signal. Right then, what we got next? Artifacts. Large musket ball, 4 inches. 7 inches. Small bottle, 6 inches. 8 inches. Fibula, 3 inches. 5 inches. That's just on the edge of its ability on the fibula there. Right, silver coins. Silver threepenny bit at 6 inches. 6pence. 7 inches. Shilling, 8 inches. Hammered medieval penny, 6 inches. Hey, you wouldn't miss that. Hammered threepenny bit, 1563, 8 inches. Yeah, silver threepenny bit, 8 inches. 6pence, 9 inches. Shilling, 10 inches. Florin, 11 inches. Silver half crown, 14 inches. I think that is about as far as it goes. Right, iron targets. Horseshoe, 6 inches. Large iron bottle. 20 pence, 8 inches deep, with 3 nails directly on top of it. 20 pence, again 8 inches deep, with 3 nails 4 inches above it. Right, if you move a coil forward, it gets it, but if you move it back where the coin actually is, it starts in a bit of an iron grunt. Same again, only the nails are on the surface. Just get the nails there. Strip of iron with 2 copper rivets within it. It's off getting it, but I wouldn't dig. Large nail, 6 inches with 20 pence on top of it. Yeah, it's giving me enough information to want to dig it. Halfpenny, 8 inches, coke on the surface. So the coke there and the halfpenny there. Rusty penknife, 6 inches. Horseshoe, 2 inches, 20 pence, 6 inches below. Get the horseshoe, horseshoe 6 inches, 20 pence, 2 inches. 6 halfpennies stacked on top of each other, 11 inches deep. 100 mixed coils, 20 inches deep in a pot. A faint noise, but you wouldn't be digging at it, I suppose. 6 halfpennies in a row on edge, 2 inches deep. And the other way. Yep. That concludes the test of the Goldenmask 1 Plus. It's not a bad little detector for an analog one. Not got the bells and whistles of most of the detectors nowadays, but most of the signals you get should be determined by the audio as opposed to the visual content, I suppose. A lot of people do detect by numbers, but I think this is an ideal detector to start off with, really, when you get the gist of metal detecting. Doesn't seem to be great on high conductive coins, but it does quite well on the low conductive coins. Good average detector and a good price. Anyway, you'll see the leaderboard at the end of this video, and thanks for watching. I'll catch you soon. Bye now.